Dreaming big financially is a great start, but turning those dreams into reality requires a strategic plan and consistent effort. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve your financial goals. 1. Set clear and specific goals. Be precise. Instead of "I want to be rich," specify "I want to save $50,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 3 years." Break it down. Divide larger goals into smaller, achievable milestones. 2. Create a budget. Track your spending. Understand where your money goes by tracking your expenses for a month or two. Allocate funds. Prioritize your spending based on your financial goals. Be flexible. Adjust your budget as needed, but be mindful of your overall financial plan. 3. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This will provide a safety net for unexpected costs. Consider a high-yield savings account. Maximize your returns while maintaining easy access to your funds. Pay off debt. Prioritize high-interest debt. Focus on paying off credit cards or loans with the highest interest rates first. Consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple debts, consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate can be beneficial. Invest wisely. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce risk. And consider professional advice. If you're unsure about investing, consult a financial advisor. Increase your income. Seek a raise or promotion. If you're performing well at your job, consider asking for a raise or promotion. Explore side hustles. A part-time job or freelance work can provide additional income. Start a business. If you have entrepreneurial aspirations, starting a business can be a way to generate substantial income. Save consistently. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings or investment account. Contribute to retirement accounts. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s or IRAs. Find ways to save. Look for opportunities to cut back on expenses and increase your savings. Remember, achieving financial goals takes time and discipline. Stay focused, be patient, and celebrate your progress along the way.